In this video, I'll show you how to toggle on or off Use Adaptive Sound to improve sound quality on Android. Begin first by opening up your Settings app. My Settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for Sound and Vibration. Tap on it. In Sound and Vibration, scroll down until you see where it says Adaptive Sound. It's underneath the Audio subheading. Tap on Adaptive Sound. Now, Adaptive Sound is currently toggled off for me. However, if you use Adaptive Sound, it improves speaker sound quality by adapting audio to your environment. Before you toggle it on, just make sure you understand exactly what this entails. Adaptive Sound improves sound quality from your phone speaker. It uses the microphone to assess the acoustics near you, then adjusts the sound equalizer settings for your environment. Adaptive Sound may be less noticeable at higher volumes. All microphone audio is deleted shortly after it's recorded. It's processed locally and never leaves your device. Audio and background conversations are never sent to Google. So just keep that in mind if you are privacy conscious. Now, I want my sound quality to be improved from my phone speaker, so I'm going to use Adaptive Sound. I'm simply going to tap on the toggle now to turn on Adaptive Sound. And there we go. Adaptive Sound is now on, and that pretty much concludes this video on how to toggle on or off Use Adaptive Sound to improve sound quality on Android. If you enjoyed the vid, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?